Next, let us learn how to hook HDC half double crochet. Crochet 10小时 DC here half double crochet. First, crochet RCH chain stitch. Then flip the fabric piece. Crochet hook once. Find the position of the first V word. Find the position of the first V word. Insert crochet hook into first V. Then crochet the thread. Bring the thread out of the needle. There are now 3 loops on the crochet hook. Then crochet winding. Bring the thread through these 3 coils at once. The first HDC half double crochet completed. Let's put a mark buckle here. Crochet winding. Find the location of the second needle. Insert the crochet hook into the needle. Crochet winding brings thread through the needle. There are now 3 loops on the crochet hook. Then winding. Bring the thread through these 3 coils at one time. The second HDC half double crochet is completed. Crochet winding. Thread the thread through the needle. Crochet winding. Pass the crochet hook through the needle. Winding brings the thread out of the needle. There are now 3 loops on the crochet hook. Winding takes these 3 coils at once. The third HDC half double crochet is completed. Next, crochet in the same way. Right. 10 HDC half double crochet completed. We can check the number of stitches based on the position of the side.